Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to reply to specific messages on Instagram. We start by opening Instagram and then we enter the conversation we want. After that, we are going to go to the message we want to respond to and hold it down briefly. We will see a contextual menu where we will see the reply option. We click on it to respond to that specific message in a personalized way. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.